Hey everybody, we're live at 8:06 p.m. Eastern Time, and we are running the first mini for the CAS 80 Plus DT Vader. Here we are. I'm going to copy our list of 16 spots. Just going to go up top, take another look at her. There he is. He's a beast. It's awesome. Top 7 claim spots in the main on this one, so we'll have a bunch of winners. Paste our 16 entries in here. 1 through 16. Going to roll the dice. Got to get at least a 5 to play. We got a 4, so I'm rolling again. Got a 4 again. There we go. We got a 9. So we're battling. Good luck, guys. Here we go. Let's get to it. Gary in the top spot for our first round with number 3. Jonathan round 2. Danny takes round 3. Gary again on top, this time with number 13. Jonathan round 5. Jason Bozeman takes round 6 with number 1. Danny again on top in round 7, this time with number 14. Gary again on top, this time with number 13. Bringing us to the ever-important final round. Here we go. And our winners are as such. Chris Ball in first place, followed by Steve, Gary, Eric, Jonathan, Christopher, and Michael. Those are our top 7. Congratulations, guys. Here's the verification. We'll make it official. TOFXUG. There's our results. One last time. I'm done at 8:07. There you have it. One last time. Take a look at our results. Congrats, guys. We'll see you in the main. Thanks a bunch. Later.